Hello there! In this video, we will discuss the challenges of Web2 to Web3 conversion. First is technical challenge. Web2 to Web3 conversion involves the adoption of new technologies and protocols which can pose technical challenges such as blockchain interoperability. The lack of standardization and interoperability between different blockchain protocols can make it difficult to integrate existing Web2 systems with Web3 technologies. For example, integrating Ethereum smart contracts with a centralized payment gateway can be technically challenging. Scaling issues. Web3 technologies such as blockchain and decentralized storage can be resource-intensive, which can pose scalability issues. For example, a decentralized application that is dApp built on a blockchain network may face performance issues when the number of users increases. Second, interoperability challenges. Web2 to Web3 conversion also requires interoperability between different systems and platforms, which can pose challenges such as data interoperability. Moving data from Web2 systems to Web3 systems can be a challenge due to differences in data formats and structures. For example, migrating user data from a centralized social media platform to a decentralized identity system can be technically challenging. Platform interoperability. Integrating Web2 platforms with Web3 protocols requires interoperability between different systems and platforms, which can be difficult to achieve. For example, integrating a centralized payment gateway with a decentralized exchange can be technically complex. Third, legal and regulatory challenges. Web2 to Web3 conversion also raises legal and regulatory challenges such as compliance. Web3 technologies are subject to various legal and regulatory requirements, including data privacy and protection regulations, financial regulations, and consumer protection laws. For example, a dApp that offers financial services such as lending or borrowing may be subject to financial regulations such as Know Your Customer, that is KYC, and Anti-Money Laundering, that is AML regulations. Intellectual property. Web3 technologies such as blockchain and smart contracts raise questions about intellectual property rights and ownership. For example, a dApp that uses patented technology may be subject to licensing requirements. And fourth, business challenges. Web2 to Web3 conversion also involves business challenges such as economic viability. The business models of Web3 technologies are still evolving, and it can be difficult to determine the economic viability of a Web3 project. For example, a dApp that relies on user-generated content may struggle to generate revenue without a centralized advertising model. User adoption. Web3 technologies are still in the early stages of development, and it can be difficult to attract users to new Web3 platforms and systems. For example, a decentralized social media platform may struggle to attract users who are already invested in centralized social media platforms. That ends the video on challenges. Let us meet soon in the next one. Take care.